Hi guys, welcome to my page. Yes, cook with me, beans porridge. Yes, as you can see, we're adding water in the pot, adding our washed beans, adding a bit of sliced onions. Yes, and as the bean is getting softer, we had a bell pepper. Yes, you can use any pepper of your choice. You can use grounded pepper, but I prefer using bell pepper because it's bring out the taste. So I'm adding no cube, so I'm using chicken cube. So we are stirring up together. This is getting ready. Then we have our palm oil, red oil. You can use vegetable oil or any oil you prefer. Yes, so we cover it and leave it for some minutes before we add our salt, and we had this as salt. So our beans is almost ready. This beans you can actually eat it with bread, we can eat it alone, add a bit of gari, anyhow you wish to do it. That's it. Please guys, if you're just joining my page, kindly comment, kindly like, kindly subscribe. Your subscription, your comments keep me going. Yes, please watch out for my next video. I love you guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.